Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, today I would like to demo lab assessment part design. Okay, actually this question I download from CATIA certification program. Okay. First step you need to create a sketch. Okay, create sketch and then you select plane YZ. Then we start sketch lah. Okay, first you see I sketch this line. Just create like this, like this, like this, like this, and then I create this line like this, okay, and then this line, make sure straight, and then this line, okay, this line, okay. After you create this line, okay, you just add on one more line here. Okay, after you form the shape, and then now you need to constrain one by one based on the dimension given. Okay, first you need to read all the question. Okay, unit to decimal place, whole truths, and then ABC dimension. You need to consider A is 81, B 57. Okay, now we start lah. To put dimension one by one. Okay, first you click double click constraint here to here. Let's say is 14, right, like this, and then here to here, same. Just one by one you constraint, become more easy. And then if this line too long, you just drag down, select this edge. If you see this line too long, you just click the end point and you drag to right side and left side. Okay, and then what you need to do, okay, next dimension, okay, you see here to here 19, here to here, okay, 19, you just draw in 19. Okay, now your vertical dimension, okay, one more thing is here to here 32. You finish one by one, first horizontal and then second you do the vertical side dimension from here to here is 32. All right. Okay, now you already finished to create, not finished yet actually. Okay, B dimension, you should know that this one for vertical dimension lah, B dimension, here to here, B, and then you scroll down, this is 57. Okay, you see this one clash, you just click the end point and then you drop to right side. Firstly, you need to cancel the command constraint. You just press escape, then you press select the end point, then you just drag like this. Okay, one more thing, dimension here to here. Okay, you go back to the sketching drawing. Okay, here to here is not angle, actually you need to put the dimension this point until this is 24. Okay, 24. Okay, and then okay, now you need to your horizontal vertical dimension already constrained, but now you need to start plotting with horizontal dimension. Okay, first we start from A, yeah. Okay, this side until this side is A equal to 81. 81, enter. Okay, one more. Okay, and you go back. Okay, you know this one here to here is 29. Here to here. Okay, for change the position for dimension, you just right click. Okay, just right click. Okay, right click. Then you change to vertical side. Right. Now change to horizontal side. Okay. Then you change the dimension is 29. Okay, 29. And then next step, what you need to do. Okay, to create this circle, you already finished yet. To put all the dimension, you need to create this circle, 29 circle. Alright. For more easy, you just create one circle outside from the uh, drawing area. You just put here. Then you put the dimension is 20, 29 radius. Change to radius 29. Okay. Okay, first step, you need to constrain the center line into this line. Okay, how you want to do that? You just easy, you press control, make sure you press control, and then click the center point, and then click the dimension, the line you want to coincident. Okay, this line actually. Okay, first you just click here. Okay, and then you press constraint define dialog box. Okay, and then you choose coincident. Okay, this circle already coincident with the this angle line. Okay, and then you press OK. Now you just drag down this line to this circle into uh, the angle line. Okay, then you need to put the dimension lah. You see, from this line until this center is uh, 19. Okay, you just change 19. Okay, ready finish yet? Okay, and then this line you need to extend. You just click endpoint of this line, and then you just drag into the right side. Okay. Okay, and then you need to settle this area first lah. What you need to do is to trim. You just click trim button inside the trim. More easy, you just use a quick trim. Okay, double click to use repeated. You trim here, trim here, trim here. Okay, but now ready. Okay, white color, maybe the dimension, the constraint already changed. Maybe when you trim, you see 19. Okay, but here to here, okay, which dimension is got problem here? I think this 19, this 19, you just delete back, and you put again dimension from here to this line. Okay, 19 now already changed to the green color back, because when you trim, maybe some problem with the constraint. Maybe you already trim the constraint line. Okay, alright. But you just delete the dimension, then you put again. Okay. Okay, now you see here have one radius 5 mm. Okay, you just create a corner between this line and this line, and then you press tab lah to put the dimension, or you just drag only put 5. Okay. Okay, if you just drag first time, you just double click and then change to 5 mm. Okay, after finish, okay, the one more critical part here is to create this circle. Okay, first what you need to do to put the dimension between here to here to this line, actually this point, a 40, okay, 14. Okay, then you just press enter, then you just drag one line like this, just angle line. Okay, and then you put angle also same. You create a constraint, select this line and this line, and then you choose which side you want to put angle. This side actually. Okay, change to 10 degrees. 10 degrees. Okay, you change to 10 degrees. Okay, and then you know this here to here is 29. You put constraint this point until this end point. Okay, 20, 29, and then enter. Okay, now this also same step like you do this circle. Okay, first you just draw the circle outside from the shape. Just draw, then you put the dimension in 19. Okay, just put the radius 19. Yes, 19. Okay, and then first step you need to constrain this outer circle with this point. Okay, first step you press Control and then select outer circle. Okay, and then select this end point lah. Okay, and then you choose define dialog box constraint define dialog box, and then you just coincident between outer circle and this point. Okay, why? Okay, I repeat again. Select outer circle and then select this point, then choose coincident. Okay, coincident, and then you click okay, and you just drag down lah. First, okay, like this you drag down, and then this circle you need to constrain with this line also same lah. You just press Control, select circle, select this line, and then you choose define dialog box. Okay, and then choose tangency. Okay, maybe have a little bit problem during the process. Maybe we need to drop down first like this. Okay, this line and this line you need to tangency. Okay, like this. Okay, now already finished, and then you need to trim lah now. Okay, you just click quick trim, double click, trim here, trim here. Okay, now actually your drawing have only three steps to do this angle, and then the circle inside the center line. Okay, first maybe we click a circle from here, and you just drag and you put the dimension. Okay, constraint, and then you put the dimension is okay, and then this one radius, not radius, but the diameter actually. Diameter is okay. Now you need to create the chamfer. Chamfer, you just use icon chamfer. Click here, here. You just drag down first. Okay, same all the position, same, and then these three place you need to create first, and then you change the dimension. Okay, first you need to delete this dimension, the hypotenuse dimension, change to the vertical dimension or horizontal. This one actually the uh, vertical side line you need to change. How you want to do that? More easy. You just select dimension, and then you just when you select, do not press enter or double click. Move like this, and then you just change to vertical side. Okay, and then you change the dimension from here is 7. Okay, this also same. I try to delete this one, and then we check, we put the dimension, drag down, right click to vertical side is still 7. Okay, okay, and then the last one you need to do, you delete first this dimension, and then you select the constraint. Okay, right click, and then vertical side. Okay, vertical side is 5. Okay, now ready finish your sketch as shown below. Okay, how many? Okay, you need to extrude C is 43. Okay, after finish drawing, to check your drawing is correct sketch or not, you just go to insert and not insert tool and then go to sketch analysis. Okay, if have a two geometry sheet, first circle close should be closed is okay. Second is implicit profile should be closed. We have a 14 curve is okay. You see this one actually your drawing is finished. Then next step you need to exit workbench. Where is exit? Okay, my exit workbench. Okay, my workbench. Okay, ready actually ready. Maybe I need to open because okay this one exit workbench. Okay, you need to extract until 43. Okay, 43. We just press pack. Pack, select this profile and then change to 43. Okay, and then we read again the question from our Eulens. The material you should apply, no, only just to measure, but the material is still, the density should be 0.086. Okay, now how you want to check that? You need to apply the material. Okay, which the apply material icon, but we need to find now. Okay, maybe inside this. No. Okay, right click material. Where is material? Analysis, insert. Sometimes your icon missing. How you want to find that? More easy, just right click. Like my icon now, material icon already missing, but I want to find that. Okay, we just go to customize. After customize, what you need to do is to relocate or restore the position. Okay, you go to toolbar. Okay, toolbar. First, your restore all content. Alright, and then restore all position if you want to find back your missing icon. Okay, now you just close. Then you can see here that they have icon apply material. Just click apply material. Select from the tree. Okay, the material you should be applied is steel. Where is steel? Iron. Okay, this one steel. And then you apply material. Okay, and then you before you check your weight for this part, you need to make sure the density of steel is same with the equation. You just right click, go to properties. Okay, and then go to analysis. Okay, density is 0.08. It's also same is 0.0786. But your question from you learn 0.086 is same lah. Okay, and then you click apply and okay. And then what you need to do is to measure initial. You just select measure and then you check. Okay, your weight is 933 934.782. Okay, we see from the Yulin uh, answer. Okay, this one, your answer is B. Okay, thank you for everyone. Enjoy for doing this lab assessment. Thank you.